Hello guys, this is a triangle. This is a triangle in Punjabi language, three angles, but when we say in English, triangles, this is a triangles. Some people are watching video thinking this is a two triangles, but this is a one triangle. I am your friend, I am a human, I am not a triangle. This is a triangle. Some triangles are making from wood, or some are making from iron, loha. All Punjabis very changi tarah waqfiyat about this triangle. This triangle is very, very hard working doing 11 months, 11 mahine in taking rest in home, but in 1 month, Kanak season, a triangle is doing